Okay, so in this video, let's talk about creating a business manager and creating a pixel that we can use to track conversions on our website. So when you come to business.facebook.com/settings, it's going to bring you to the business manager section like this. Now, if you are starting with a brand new account that doesn't have a business manager, you will be prompted to create a business manager, all right? A business manager account. So in this section, you can see that I have 2 business managers created, but this grace of God is the available one right now because you can see one ad account right there. This one isn't being used yet. All right, so you can see I click on it. When you create a business manager account and you click on it, or it will bring you right here to the business settings. So you can see your email address and you can see the status is active when it comes to business manager. So right here, what we want to do now, I'm assuming you have the template, right? So let's say you bought the e-com template that from us right here, and you've customized it, you've added the products you want to, the watches or the products that you want to sell, or you built your own e-com page. It's very simple. You can build your own or you can have one from ours. So whichever way, I'm assuming in this video that you already have one because you should have your websites ready, create a page which is ready, which we've done also. Then next thing to do is talking about this pixel because we're going to install the tracking pixel on our website, on our sales page, so that when somebody buys, Facebook is going to track that conversion and also help you get similar people that will likely take a similar action, which is, of course, the goal is to get people that will buy. So in this case, right, in this case, you can see one of our templates right here that I just customized to put different wristwatches there. So you can see it. Now I customize this based on the particular wristwatch that I want to sell. Okay, but if you get the template, you can see that it's pretty much the same. When you get the template, there's a video that comes with it, so you will learn how to customize it whichever way you want. Okay, so you can see I want to sell this particular wristwatch, and I added the details here, the prices here, and a GIF. I showed you how to get GIF and images, and more GIFs, and some description, more pricing. I didn't teach you how to do something like this. I think I should. If you want to do something like this, let me know on the comments or in the contact section. I'm going to create a video just to show you this particular section. Then I added a form to place an order, and this is what we have. Okay, so same thing I am doing for this particular page. You can see it's similar concept, but this time around the prices are not here. It's just the slideshows. I added more images. Then the prices, more display images, more images, the guarantee, then the packages. You can see you can customize the template however you want. But the goal is to have your images displayed very well. All right, this was on Canva, okay? This was done on Canva. You can just design images on Canva and stuff like that. So now once they place an order, they're going to land on the thank you page, which will now signal Facebook that, hey, somebody just placed an order. Okay, so we're going to do this right now. You see when they scroll down, they're going to have a form where they will fill and purchase and place the order. So now let's go back to Facebook and we'll close this down. So right here, let's say we want to install our pixel. Again, before we begin, I would like you to install this particular plugin on your Chrome browser. So we call it Meta Pixel Helper. This will help you when you install it on your Chrome browser. This one right here, you add to your Chrome browser. This will help you show you when a pixel is being tracked or when it's not. This particular page is what we're going to use because I already installed pixel on this particular website, but in this dealer website, there is no pixel. So we're just going to use this page. So you add this, you can see added already to Chrome. So you add this to your Chrome and we can continue. So right here, once you're on your business settings, you click on this icons right here, these 3 icons here. They call it the hamburger sign. Then here you click on events manager because we want to track events on our websites. So if you can see right here, we already have one that we've created, even though it's not properly right now because we're not currently running ads for a while. But this is how you do it. In your case, you won't see anything here because everything is fresh. So you click on this plus sign that says connect data source. You click on web and you click connect. Right here, you can name it whatever you want. You can see we did ours watch game. Here is the confession. You can name it whatever you want. So let's say watch tests pixel. Let's just put it like that. I'll click create. So Facebook is asking us, now that you've created your pixel, enter your website and we'll let you know if you can connect your data using a partner like Shopify or WordPress. So we'll just put our website right there and we'll click check. So you wait for it for a few seconds. So now we click next. All right, so they will ask you, how do you want to do it? Do you want to do it yourself or you want to get a guide? So I'm just going to click, let's do it ourselves. So we click next. In our case, Facebook is asking us to do the Meta Pixel and Conversion API, like you say, recommended, or we can go with the Meta Pixel alone, right? So for this particular website, I'm just going to click this alone. So right now, I want to install the code manually because we know how to do it. So what you need to do is to copy this code and let's just click on copy and they'll ask you to place it on the header tag of your website. Let me show you how to do it. So you come to your website like this, right? So you come to your homepage and you go to plugins. While you are here, what you need to do is to click on add new plugin right here at the top left-hand corner. So you click on add new plugin. So here you search for WP code. It's going to come up, should be the first one here with 2 million plus active users. So you click install and you click activate. Next, we're just going to scroll down here and look for, once it's activated, you'll see this code snippet at the bottom here. So hover over it and you will see this header and footer. So click on it. Remember, we've copied our code right here. Let me just copy it again. So we'll come down here on the header section. We're just going to paste the code right there. I will click save changes. A potentially unsafe operation has been detected in your request on this side. You can access this. I am setting this is a false. Okay. Not seen this before. So let's just reload. All right. So settings saved. So now for us to confirm if this pixel is there, let's just reload our page right here. We have a page right here. So you can see that the pixel has been detected on our website, that we've installed the pixel. So that means this is successful. So we'll go back here and we're just going to click continue. So you can turn this on or off. I like to leave it off and I click continue. Normally this should be on. So open event setup tool, right? Now you click on this and we're going to enter our website URL. Where is the first place that you want to target? So I want people to land here first. In your case, that's the first page of your funnel. Okay, that's the first page of your funnel. So you enter this and you click open website. I'm not supposed to get this because the Pixel ID is successfully installed. And if you won't click here, we'll see that we have our Pixel ID on our website. So I think this is an error from Facebook. But what we're going to do is that we'll just cancel this and we'll just click. Or what I'm going to do is, let's go to the website. Let's uninstall the WP code. And we're going to install a Pixel ID plugin called Pixel Cat. So let's click on add new plugin and just type Pixel Cat here. And you just, in your case, just install the Pixel Cat. I've done it already on this website. So install this Pixel Cat and activate it. It's going to appear down here like this Pixel Cat. So you click on it. Let me show you what to do. Once you click on it, it's going to pop up. It's going to show you like add a new pixel. So what you do is that you copy the code. This particular code is your Pixel ID. Now you don't have to wait to see it on your website. You can see it when you click on when we click on this go to Pixel overview. There you copy your Pixel code I'm going to show you. But in this case, let me just copy this Pixel code here. You come here and paste your Pixel code here and just click save. All right, that's what I just did here. Now, another thing you would do is that the page that you want to track. Now, in our case, this is the course that you're currently watching right now. So let's say I want to sell this course on Facebook ad, but in your case, you want to sell your wristwatch in your case. So when somebody click and purchase this, it's going to land on the thank you page like this. So for example purposes, when they click here and purchase this course, either in Naira or in dollars, they're going to land on the thank you page that looks like this. So I want to track this page right here. So the name of this page is called Thank You complete course payments dealer code. All right, so come to the website right here. I will click add new Facebook events. Here, the trigger is going to be paid visits, meaning whenever somebody visits this page, let it trigger that somebody just purchased. So page visits, now the page that you want to track, you go and look for your thank you page. In this case, this is a thank you page that I want to track. So click on that. I'll say, okay, whenever somebody visits that page, which in your case is this page, right? You're going to name it something about thank you. So whenever somebody visits that page, count it as purchase. So let's say you're running a digital product, you can do leads, whatever thing you want to do, you can do add to carts. But in my case, I like to use purchase. You can also use complete registration. So in my case, it's purchase, and the value for my product, let's say my product is 20,000. I'm just going to put that. Now the currency in Nigeria is NGN. And I'll click save. So that's exactly what I've just done here. The value is NGN, and I'll click save. So it's active. You can post it where you want, but there's no purpose of that. So when you're done, you click save all changes. Now, once you're done with that, you come back to here and you click go to Pixel overview. Now, once you visit this page, let's refresh this page right here. That's a thank you page right now. Once you visit this page, you're going to see the purchase, all the purchase details that we just did. In my case, I just put 10,000 just to demonstrate this to you. And you can see the currency is NGN. So let's visit our Pixel page. You can see the pixel we're currently working on right here. And if we scroll down, you can see the page view has been detected. If we go to test events, you can see the page view was detected. The purchase is detected just now, 418. You can see 419 that we just visited. Okay. So this is how you can install it. Once you are done with this, in the next session, I'm going to show you how to create your ads, how to come over to this section, go to ads manager, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to expose my advert to you. I'm going to show you an advert that I ran for this particular wristwatch that we're talking about in this particular video. Let me see this particular one. There's a test advert that I did on this. I think it got about 7 orders or so before the watch went out of stock. Okay, so that's what I'm going to talk about in the next video.